Baka yung buong baboy. Mga madam! Ayan, grabe naman tong mayaman namin tong buyer, oh. Yogurt. We're eating yogurt. Here. Here tayo na. Cheers. 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 Luto kayo na. Again. Chicken here tayo rin. Here. Here, dali. Here's again. Here's again. Konti lang. So, Korean eh. Dali, cheers. Cheers. Yummy? Yummy yogurt. Yummy yogurt. Yummy yogurt. Sausaw. Suka. Mahuli. Taya! Talo ka. Sausaw. Suka. Taya! Talo mama. Bato. Pik. Bato. Pik. Talo, wala. Again. It's a tie. Yeah, it's a tie. Ang game. Bato. Pik. Talo mama. Galing ah. Cut mo yung paper ah. Okay. Bato. Pik. Wala. Game. Bato. Pik. Uy, talo ka na. Gaya ko. Stop ka na eh. Tapos ginawa mong scissor. Oh, ganun na ulit ako. De. Talo ka na.
I got the paper.
Daya.
Speed bump is like a hump. Like a hump on the road. You know what a hump is?
I love you.
I love my Joel and Mama. I love Mama and Joel.
Why you're so sweet?
I love Mama and Papa.
Why you're so sweet?
Because I love Mama and Papa.
I love you too.
I love Joel. Joel, we're gonna go and buy your things on Saturday na because we have school. Next week na.
Hawak na tayo kamay.
Ay, hawak tayo kamay. See, this is your school. You're almost on time. 7:58.
I love Mama and Papa.
I love you. Mama loves you so much.
I love Mama. Mama, what is this?
What?
Yeah,
Saan?
to the other side.
To the other side.
Your school.
Saan?
No, to the other side to Mama's house.
At Mama's hair. Ask her.
What is that? What is that?
It's a drawing.
No, the other one.
It's what?
Yeah.
It's a drawing. See? Touch it. They just draw it. See? You like it?
Funny.
So funny.
Yeah.